Hi, today I'm for the OPPO Find X2 Neo and I'll show you how to enable or disable Smart Assistant on this device. So now by swipe to the right side we can see that the assistant is turned on, and if you wanna turn it off we should just slide with the fingers at the same time to the center or just to hold the home screen. Then here on the right down corner we should click to the more icon and then slide a little bit down, and here you'll see Smart Assistant switcher. Just to turn it on we should click here once on the switcher. So now let's go back to the home screen and we can see that the Smart Assistant successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on again, by the same way, go to the more icon and tap it to the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.